guys, this is Megan, my little silky chicken. She's actually a frizzle silkie, so well, normal silkies have very fluffy feathers. She's got these little crimped bits in. Anyway, it's a horrible day outside, so I thought I'd bring her in and I'd give her a bath because she's going to be in a barn now for a few days while there's a storm. So I thought today is a perfect day to get her nice and clean. As you can see, she's got, let me bring her in closer. She's pretty dirty and her feathers here on her feet are quite disgusting. So we're going to give her a bath, clean her up and make her look like the fabulous little chicken she is.
So first thing we're going to do is get her wet. Soak through just like when you wash your hair yourself, and just do it nice and gently. Now I'm going to use a purple shampoo. It's actually the shampoo that I use on my horse, my white horse that rolls in the mud, gets really dirty. Purple shampoo is great for blondes, and it takes away the kind of yellow tones. So this is a horse shampoo that I'm going to be using on Megan right now. Now I'm just going to rinse her off, just give her a really good thorough rinse, get all that shampoo off. And while I'm doing so, I'm just going to, check around for any little lumps, bumps, or other little bits. And right here, I've found a lump of bird poo. Don't know why she's got it. My others don't get bird poo stuck in them. I don't know if they've got different types of feathers or what it is, but I'm just going to snip it off like that. And then there's a couple of other little pieces as well that I'm just going to snip off. Yuck, really don't know why she gets these stuck on her. Now I'm just going to rinse her off really thoroughly, get rid of all the shampoo that might have been on her. You can see she's got black feet, silkies have black skin. Now I'm just going to take her out and swaddle her, wrap her in a towel and just get rid of all that excess water.
We're going to just swaddle her in a towel. So you can see little Meg's here, she's quite cozy. You can see her little brown highlights in there where she's got a little bit of brown. She's not a pure white silkie. Now it's time to dry her off. I'm going to go on the lowest heat, between the lowest heat and cold.
She is a little princess, so we're going to stop so I can give her a little treat. And this is her favourite treat, sweet corn. She absolutely loves it. Her and the other hens actually love it. So I'm just checking here, I've seen a lump, it's a bit of a squishy lump, and I noticed it while I was shampooing her actually, so I think I'm going to have to look a bit further into that. And not forgetting we need to dry their wings and also dry underneath their wings. You can see now she's starting to fluff back up again as she gets drier, looking more like a little silkie instead of this drowned rat.
Oh, isn't she beautiful? Are you beautiful? Nice and clean. You can see all our pretty little... There you go. You can see all her little pretty brown feathers in there now. Much cleaner. You go, Meggy.